The error code E10 is a Bosch dishwasher error code that signifies a malfunctioning heating system. This error typically occurs when the water heating process is too slow, often due to a faulty heater or scale buildup on the heating element. To troubleshoot and repair this issue, the first step is to descale the dishwasher. This involves emptying the dishwasher, removing any food particles, and then filling it with water and a descaling product. The solution should sit for about an hour before running a complete wash cycle. If the dishwasher is not fully descaled after the first cycle, another cycle with the descaling product may be necessary. After descaling, the dishwasher should be drained and then run with clean water to rinse it. Following this process, the error code should be checked to see if it has cleared. If the error persists, it may be necessary to replace the heater, in which case a technician should be contacted to perform the replacement.